Okay, we've got our K1 clutch all assembled and out of the way, so we'll just slide that off to the side. Here we have the front planet, the K1 clutch drum, and the middle ring gear here all in one assembly. So we're going to start by taking the snap ring out of the middle ring gear, setting that aside. The ring gear comes out. We're going to stand the, well, we can just, actually what we can do is just pull the drum right out of the planet. Front ring gear, front planet, we're going to set aside. The rear ring gear and snap ring we're going to set aside. Now we're going to disassemble the K1 drum. Let's get right into it. We've got a nice little hole in the bench here where we can put the drum. We're going to take the snap ring out. We're going to take the snap ring out. Now we've got the K2 clutches coming out. This model, these are also one-sided clutches. And a dished cushion spring as well. So now we're going to use a suitable press to compress the spring retainer and remove the retaining snap ring. Okay, we've compressed our spring retainer and got our retaining snap ring out. So let's pull the retainer out of the drum and the Belleville spring. Notice the tangs face up on that. And lastly, we're going to pull the piston out of there. Pull the piston out of there. Unlike the other drums, this has a seal on it. This is not a molded seal. This will have an O-ring that comes off of here. We're going to go ahead and remove that O-ring and toss it away. Also, inside this drum, there's a O-ring down inside here. This is actually a D-cut ring. It's shaped like a D, that's why it's got the D-cut ring on there. We're going to go ahead and chuck that as well. Now this drum's ready for inspection.